Braiding your own hair sounds easy until you try parting. Then suddenly, it feels like a battle. I learned to make hair back in my home country. I must say I am self-taught. But the ridiculous price of braiding hair here in the UK. I saw pepper. In the hands of braiders, I decided to only pay for only serious hairstyles. But here's my DIY braiding journey. Braiding my own hair has been a self-love long journey. Many times very hard. The hardest part? Definitely parting my hair. Since I wear glasses, the struggle is real. Without them, I can't see clearly. With them, the comb keeps getting stuck. Imagine trying to draw straight lines with blurry vision. It's a whole workout. But I braid my hair anyway, because it's more than just a style for me. My hair keeps cutting, and braiding helps protect it, keeps it neat, and makes me feel confident. This particular hairstyle was inspired by Ivon Melda. She has one of the easiest hair tutorials videos. Check her out on YouTube. She always makes it look so easy and flawless. Me? I'm still learning. My parts aren't the straightest. My weaving with extensions isn't always smooth. But each time I try, I get a little better and better. I won't lie, sometimes it takes hours. My arms hurt, and I feel like giving up. But then I look at the finished braids, and I'm like, wow, I did that myself. And that feeling? Priceless. Braiding has also taught me patience, self-care, and resilience. Every imperfect braid is still part of my progress. And honestly, nothing beats that proud moment when you can step out and say, yes, I did this with my own two hands. So here's to every woman who's ever sat for hours braiding her own hair. You are strong, creative, and patient. What do you think about the style did I try, and what is your rating? If you've ever tried braiding your own hair, drop a comment. I want to hear your story. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY hair journeys and cooking talks. See you in my next video. Bye for now.